Chocolate cake's about there now.
Straight to second last ride in the world. This is the big one.
Please lift up on the comfort collar and step over the blue bar. Once seated, hold the comfort collar over your head and down onto the lap harness. When that's in place, buckle the comfort collar. Your lap harness must be in the properly closed position and close to your body.
Ice Breaker was lots of airtime. Harry didn't like it because he couldn't stay in his seat.
I'm very comfortable with it.
What?
Ice Breaker.
Oh, I love Ice Breaker. Oh, no, I had no problem with it. It was very comfortable.
Right.
How about you?
Ice Breaker was intense, much more intense than I expected it to be.
Yeah,
but it was really uncomfortable. So
Definitely not a family coaster.
yeah, I was really surprised as a family coaster.
So what did you think of Ice Breaker, Harry?
It was terrible.
Why didn't you like it?
Well, mainly because the restraints, the seatbelt restraints, they went like that and they kept banging against me.
Yeah, comfort collars. Not very
agree with
comfortable.
that. Discomfort collars, horrible.
They don't ruin the ride.
No,
but
I thought they did. That was it. For me, that broke the ride. All I was thinking about was the fact that these things were hanging around. Getting on was really difficult, and getting them from behind you to get them over you.
Yeah, that was a pain.
Off
Yeah, I think that
was even worse.
But for me, it's fine. I don't really care too much about the comfort collars. They're a bit uncomfortable, but I don't care.
No, well, I definitely want to do it again from front row because we did back row.
Yes.
But yeah, so I want to do front row to try it. But
Yeah.
otherwise, I wouldn't really be desperate to go on it again just because it was so uncomfortable.
Well, I mean, that may ruin it for you, but I fairly enjoyed it a fair bit.
I think the Velocicoaster has maybe ruined anything.
Yeah, I think you've just been a bit too spoiled for rides at this point.
Except, yeah,
Zadra, Velocicoaster,
Yeah,
Shambhala, Mako.
it hadn't spoilt Mako. Mako was brilliant still, but still prefer Shambhala to Mako.
Yeah,
Velocicoaster's still my favourite ride.
Yes, Velocicoaster's still my favourite ride.
Definitely. Yeah, he started going backwards.
No way! Oh, yeah. I'm not ready for this.
Right.
Oh, that was brilliant! Wow, that was awesome.